Baharap. Hello, Marco. Hi! Hi guys! Lamig na lamig siya.
Uy, Daddy! Nasa ka na?
Turista.
Sabihin, barko yan. Hindi pa yan. Lancha.
Yate? Di ba yan? Nakatawag ka dyan.
Nasa tingin na dito.
Naisisilaw ako.
Sa gitna dapat. Ano? Ano siya?
Ay, si Mia.
Mia, go with mommy.
Saan ang passport mo?
May citizen na.
Balik ka sa daong nakagaling.
Philippines.
Balik ka sa Philippines. Balik ka sa Philippines, wala kang passport.
Especially chewing. There's so many algae. Yeah. I don't think so. Because it's thirsty. It looks like there's clams or I don't know.
Ang liit naman yan.
Ano yan ang shell or mussels?
Oh my god, that smells. You want it?
Yeah. You smell that? That's seaweed smell.
Yeah.
Eh, ayaw kumain yan eh.
Ayun ang seaweed. Andrea, ka pa ba?
1, 2, 3. It's a...
Baka naman.
Oh. Ayun oh. Go. You like hair, Marco? Marco. Hi. Hi, Marco. You like hair? You like cold weather, huh? You like hair? Hello, Marco. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello.
Ganito yung pinuntahan namin.
It's okay. Kaya lang malamig kasi mahangin, no? Josh yan? There, oh. Ayun pala sila. Daddy, dito meron daanan, oh. Dito na lang kami. Shortcut. Picture mo na kayo nila. Pagbaba niyan, mahirapan yan. Mia! Shh! Oy!
Like that. Ito kay Ate Bing. Come on here.
Oh! Teka lang, Marco. Famous bakery. Haba ng pila.
Excuse me, Mia. I will look at this line.
No, it's not.
I was looking for you.
You're a happy boy. Do you smell the kambing? Oh, I smell it. It's sweet. It is sweet. It smells like feet. Does the goat smell like... That is goat, right? The goat smells like feet.
I don't eat it.
Do you eat goat? Oh, you wish you would eat it. Yes. Or are you a vegetarian? Are you a vegetarian? You look like one of those, what do you call that? Glow worm? You're a glow worm. Yes, you're a glow worm. Yes, you are. If I let go of you, are you gonna slip? Yay, you're a big boy now. Look, you're holding your hand.
Hands together.
I know, I used to work with children with, diba, yung early intervention. So at this age, may mga milestone na nakikita. Masyado ka namang advanced.
Oo. Siguro. Hindi ka nang ginagawa
Hindi mo na mapansin kanina kapag di hawak. Basta may kausap si Marco Polo. Marco Polo is not pooping yet. Did you poop today?
Hindi pa.
Oh, we need to. Kaya palang bantot na utot mo. Bantot, utot.
Hello. Hello, my handsome boy.
dito. No. Don't roll. Okay, because you don't know how to get back to your place. You don't know how. You can only stay in one position. Yes. And then you cannot roll over because you're not a lumpia. A rolling lumpia. A rolling lumpia. See, okay lang siya pag ano eh. Madami nakikita. I know. Let's make him a burrito. A burrito! I know. Kung mag-family ano kayo, mag-family Halloween kayo, pwede siyang lumpia.
Oo,
Diba?
burrito.
Oh, burrito. Nakaharap. He really knows cameras, oh. Alam niya. Oh, busy burrito.
Ang tagal niya mag-roll, ah.
Stop, ano?
Oh,
Haya.
Go, 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 go. Tumawa pa.
Ano, nakatawa ba?
Tumawa.
Heirloom?
Oh, yes.
Ang
hindi, ang
That's hot pepper.
is, yung carrots.
This is a tomato.
Tomato, potato. Tapos ganyan no, Tessa, oh. Ganito na lang. Box.
Tomato.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.